In this video, we'll show you how to add domain users to your system for the InVize ID software. Before we get started, it's helpful to understand the difference between local users and domain users, since the steps to add them into InVize ID are different. A local user is someone whose username and password are created on just one computer, and they can only log into that specific device. A domain user, however, uses a company-managed login that works across multiple computers on your network. So if your employees sign in to their computers using the same company username and password, no matter which workstation they use, they're likely domain users. And in this video, we'll show you how to add those users into InVize ID. To begin, open the InVize ID software and navigate to the Administrator Tools section, which is the hammer icon. Then click Users, Groups, and Permissions. Then click Add at the bottom of the screen. When the new window opens, the default user type will be set to local. Since we're adding a domain user, change the location to your organization's domain and click OK. This tells InVize ID that the user's login information will come from your network's Active Directory, rather than being created directly inside the software. Additionally, you may search for the user by typing their name in the Name Contains field and then selecting the correct user from the list. Once your user has been found, select them by checking the box next to their name. After confirming the user details, assign any necessary permissions, administrative or non-administrative, within the permission set at the bottom of the screen. When everything has been configured, select Add to add the domain user to InVize ID. The user has now been added to the InVize ID software. Additionally, instead of adding users one at a time, you can add entire domain groups. This allows you to automatically apply administrative settings to multiple users at once, based on how they're organized within your network. For example, human resources and managers may have their own domain group within your organization. In InVize ID, navigate to the Users and Groups section, uncheck the box next to Find Users, and ensure the Find Groups box is checked. Type the group name within the Name Contains field, or to find all domain groups, simply click Find. This will connect to your network and display available security groups from the Active Directory. Locate and select the appropriate domain group or groups you want to add. Once the group has been selected, assign the appropriate permissions in the Permission Sets field and then click Add. Now any user in this domain group will automatically inherit these permissions. You've now successfully added both domain users and domain groups into InVize ID. If you need further assistance, please contact us.